In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a table in Google Docs seamlessly. Whether you're organizing data, information, or simply looking to enhance your document's layout, mastering table functionality is a key skill in making your documents more professional and readable. Let's dive right in and start with the creation of your table. First off, you'll need to open Google Docs. Head to your computer's web browser, type in the Google Docs URL, and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to open an existing document if you have one handy, or simply go ahead and create a new one by selecting Blank from the options on your dashboard. This will ensure you have a workspace ready for your table. Next, it's time to insert your table. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a menu toolbar. Click on the Insert menu. This provides a plethora of options, but for today, we're focusing on the Table option. Hover over it and you'll see a grid appear. This grid is your tool for selecting the number of rows and columns you desire. As you move your cursor over the grid, the cells you hover over will highlight. Choose your desired dimensions simply by clicking on your selection, and voila! Your table will magically appear within your document, perfectly sized to the specifications you've chosen. With your table now in place, we'll move on to customizing it to fit your specific needs. Adding or adjusting rows and columns is a breeze. Simply right-click on any cell. From the menu that appears, choose either Insert Row Above or Insert Row Below if you need more rows. For columns, you'll see options to Insert Column Left or Insert Column Right. Once selected, these changes will instantly update your table, providing added flexibility as your data grows or changes. Now you might want to merge some cells to better format your information. To merge, click and drag your mouse across the cells you wish to combine. Once highlighted, right-click and select Merge Cells. This is particularly helpful for creating headers or sections within your table. Adding text is as simple as clicking into a cell and typing. Google Docs gives you the freedom to edit text as you normally would, adapting font style, size, and color to suit your needs. For further personalization, you might want to add a splash of color. Click on a cell, then find the background color icon on your toolbar. Choose from a wide range of colors to make your table visually appealing or to help differentiate sections. Finally, you have the options of further customizing the table. Adjust the font properties to align with your document's theme and resize the cells by clicking and dragging their borders. This allows your table to be as dynamic as the content it holds, ensuring it looks just right within your document. By following these steps, you'll have a beautifully crafted and fully customized table in Google Docs, ready to impress. Enjoy experimenting with these tools and watch how they elevate your document to a new level of professionalism and clarity.